So, hi, before entering into the video, I have a gift for you. Guess what? I'm going to give you a hug, all of you, okay? And you can ask, why is that? Because it's simple. In this universe, okay, you can think like this. Wow, this universe is very big, but I don't have anyone to hug. I don't have anyone to share like that. But don't worry, I'm here for you, okay? So, yeah, give me a hug. So let's get into the video. Okay. Today I'm going to talk about my first question. There is so much questions I have, and today I'm going to talk about my first question. The question is very simple. How the photons conveying the data via reflection, via traveling, like that. So that is my first question. You can say why you are asking this question when there is already an answer. Yeah, there is an answer. There is right, but I got some things to argue. Okay, so let me do it. You see, you can see my hand, right? Okay, so why? Because at this very moment, this room is filled with light. Okay, so when I stretch my hand, when I do some signs, okay, you can see it. Why? Because the light is reflected and it conveys the data to you. Okay, via the data is conveying, but the question is how the photons doing these things. So that is my question. In this universe, everywhere you go, you see one certain thing. That is what? That is light. Why? Why everywhere? Why every place there is light? There is photon. Why? So, and you can say because of reflection, because of absorption, the photon is conveying the data. But we also say light is not a wave; it's also a particle. When it's a particle, how do you think it's conveying the data? Okay, so that is my question. How it's doing? How it hold so many mysteries? So, in this very moment, okay, in this particular one room, there is some light, okay, some photons are there, some are many, okay. So every photons have every data, okay. If there is one photon here, okay, it have data of all the things in this room, okay. If I fix one mirror, if I show one mirror here, okay, you can see this thing in front of you. Why? Because of reflection, that the data is conveyed, okay. And how these things, okay, how it does, okay, how is really happen via reflection? No, I don't think so. Yeah, it's right, via reflection when interacting with matter it does, but I will say there is some mistakes are there, okay. And you see, if I turn off the light, okay, the room will get black, okay, you cannot see anything. But when I turn on the light, you can see me. The funny thing is, light is a temporary, but dark is a permanent, okay. That is one mysterious thing, okay. And light, we still don't know light is a particle or wave, okay. If it's a wave, we can say okay, because of light, because of refraction, it's convey the data. But when we argue this is a particle, it's a quantum of energy, how does it store the data? So that is my question, okay. We thinking we understand about light, but we really don't know, okay. And we can argue when it's come to the basic quantum physics. In the quantum world, that is the first thing, okay. And you can also say when the first, when the very beginning, only light was created, okay, only light was born, okay, that is the case. But how it was born, okay. And you, me, have atoms in our body, okay. Everything around us all have a atoms, okay. It have mass, it have some properties. But what is light? Light don't have atoms, it's a wave, it's a particle. Why? Atoms can absorb, reflect, produce. Energy can produce the photons. Energy can produce the light. But how it does? How it acts? How it's doing? So much questions. And the speed of light, it's a 300 lakhs kilometer per second. How? Why? In the first place, how the light was created, how it was born from nothing, how the energy can create photons, how the atoms can create the photons because of God particles, because of some kind of magic. So yeah, it holds so much mysteries. It's like it's fighting with dark, with nothingness. Okay, you see, in space it's a very empty area. Okay, and without them, without anything in the universe, this blank area does nothing. But the light, okay, it's the starting point. So it somehow tried to do to fill up the space. Okay, but why in the blank area, why the light is going everywhere, everywhere? Still it's evolving, still it's expanding. Okay, so why is that? Why is try to, why is look like the light is trying to fill up a space? Okay, it cannot. Okay, in front of space, the light, the universe is known universe, or everything is only 1%, maybe 0.1%. Okay, but still light trying to do something. Okay, in the speed it's going is very astonishing. How? Why? So how it's controlling the data? When you look at the sky, you can see so much stars. Okay, so many planets. Why? Because of the light released from that planet reached us. But not only one star, there is lakhs of stars, I mean billions of stars. Okay, and we can see it. Why? Because the photons, it's here. Okay, every photon from the universe, it was here, it is front of us. Okay, and if I remove myself from the camera, okay, you cannot see me, right? But still in this area, okay, in this area, the data of me is here. Okay, the very moment what I do is here, but you can see only my hand though. But if I put my mirror here, okay, you can see me, right? And the data is here. Okay, it's everywhere. Every data of the universe is everywhere in form of light. Who is that? And that is my question. What is light trying to do? Yeah, with this question I end my video. Okay.